Hello students. So students, today we are doing revision of your chapter number 9, that is your time. So let's get started. Conversion of time. So first is your conversion of days into hours. Okay, I told you that one day is equals to how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, this we have studied. So in 2 days, how many hours we are having? In 2 days, we are having 24 plus 24 hours. That will be your 48 hours. Okay, so what I have done, if it is 2 days, I have added 24 two times. If it is 3 days, then I will be adding 24 three times. Now what I have told you that multiplication is repeated addition, and here we are doing repeated addition. So if you have to convert a day into hours, what you have to do, you have to multiply the number of days by 24. So suppose if I have to find that in 3 days we have to convert hours, so you will write 3 into 24 and this will be your 72 hours. Okay, so how you are going to convert days into hours? By multiplying the numbers of days with 24. Why 24? Because in one day we are having 24 hours. Second, we are having conversion of hours into minutes. Okay, now I told you that 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Clear? So if you have to convert an hour into minutes, then what you have to do, you have to multiply the given number of hours with 60. For example, if I have to convert 3 hours into minutes, so what I do? 3 into 60. Why I am multiplying it into 60? Because this is in an hour and I told you in 1 hour how many minutes I am having? 60. So we will multiply these two and what we got? 180 minutes. Okay. It means in 3 hours how many minutes we are having? 180 minutes. So for converting hours into minutes, what you have to do? You have to multiply the given number of hours with 60. Clear? Next, we are having conversion of minutes into second. So 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Clear? In 1 minute, we are having 60 seconds. So for converting a minute into second, what we have to do? We have to multiply the given minutes into by 60. So if, for example, if you have to convert 4 minutes into seconds, so what you will do? 4 into 60 and 6 fours are 24, so this will be 240 seconds. Okay, so for converting minutes into seconds, what we have to do? We have to multiply the given number of minutes with 60. Why with 60? Because in 1 minute we are having 60 seconds. Clear? Now we will do some question based on these conversions. So class, we will do some questions from your exercise 9.2. Okay. Your question number 1 is convert the following days into hours. And your first part is 4 days. Now you have to convert these 4 days into hours. Now you will do the conversion as I am doing on board. Just don't do the direct one. First you will write 1 day is equals to 24 hours. This is clear. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So 4 days is equals to 4 into 24 hours. Clear? Now when you multiply these two, 4 fours are 16, carry goes 1, 6 will be here. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. This is 96 hours. Clear? So it means in 4 days, how many hours you are having? 96 hours. Second part of your first question is you have to convert 7 days into hours. Okay, so similarly as we have done first one, you will write 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Okay, so you will write 7 days is equals to 7 into 24 hours. Clear? So you can do the multiplication over here. That is 24 multiplied by 7. 7 fours are 28. 7 twos are 14 plus 2 16. It means in 7 days you are having 168 hours. Clear? So this is the way of converting days into hours. First you will write 1 day is equals to 24 hours, and this is mandatory for you to write in this way. Okay? You have to solve them in this way only so that it becomes your habit to solving a sums. Okay? So it is 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So in 7 days it will be 7 into 24 bracket close hours. And when you multiply these two, what you are getting? 168 hours. And this will be your answer. Now question number 2 is convert the following hours into minutes. Now you have to convert these hours into minutes. Okay, your first part is you have to convert 7 hours into minutes. So you will write 1 hour is equals to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Clear? So in 7 hours you are having 7 into 60 minutes. Clear? So this will be your 420 minutes. You will do the multiplication by yourself. Okay, so in 1 hour how many you are having 60 minutes. So in 7 hours you are having 420 minutes. Your question number 3 is convert the following minutes into seconds. So same method we will follow, that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, so in 11 minutes you will be having 11 into 60 seconds. Clear? And when you multiply these two, you are getting 660 seconds. It means in 11 minutes you are having 660 seconds. How you are going to do it? In 1 minute you are having 60 seconds. So you will write 11 minutes is equals to 11 into 60 seconds. And when you multiply these two, you are getting 660 seconds. Okay, we will do one more question. Now its B part is you have to convert 18 minutes into seconds. So you will write 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, so in 18 minutes you will be having 18 into 60 seconds. Okay, now you will multiply these two. You will be getting a 1080 second. It means 1080 seconds. In 18 minutes, you are having 1080 seconds. How you are going to do it? 18 minutes you have to convert into seconds. So you will write 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Now 18 minutes is equals to 18 into 60 seconds, and when you multiply these two, you are getting 1080 as your answer. Okay, so this is the way of converting minutes into seconds. So student, this is all for today. You have to practice the question based on these conversion. Okay, till then, take care of yourself.